Here we go. Day 4. Whatever. Day 4, adding and subtracting radicals, ladies and germs. You'll notice as these problems get more difficult, I'm giving you less problems. And I'm doing that on the homework as well, because they are kind of long and involved. Don't lose your mind and freak out when you see a big old monster problem. It's all skills that you know how to do. There's nothing here that we haven't seen before. It's just a lot of those skills built into one problem. So, without any further ado, again, I remind you, there are 3 steps to these problems. The first thing you need to do is simplify radicals. 2, identify like terms, and then combine the like terms. 3 steps. Write this down in your notes. So here we go. Simplify radicals. Square root of 72. Goodness gracious. I don't know anything that goes into 72. I'm grabbing my calculator and I'm dividing by 2. So that's 2 and comes out to be 36. You might know something that goes into 36. I do, because I just remember from, I don't remember, a long time ago, 6 times 6 is 36. That one's always stuck with me. So that's a good place to go. 6 is not prime, so we break it down all the way. 6 is 2 times 3, 2 times 3. So now in this radical, I've got 2, 2, 2, 3, 3. Simplify. 2's out, 3's out. Gives me 6 on the outside, 2 on the in. Next one. 27. We did 27 the other day. What was 27? It was 3 times 9. 3 times 9. 9 is 3 times 3. So that gives me 3 3's in my radical. Pairs only. So 2 of the 3's break out. So this is 3 root 3. Don't forget, it has a minus sign. Notice where I'm doing this. I've got plenty of room because I'm on the whiteboard. Either space your problems out so you have room. Make sure you're keeping yourself nice and neat and organized here. If you're trying to squeeze all this underneath one thing, you don't have the room, it's just going to be a mess and you're going to lose numbers. It's going to cost you problems. Here we go, 50. 50 is 5 times 10. 10 is 2 times 5. So it's 2, 5, and 5. So that is 5 root 2, and it has a plus sign. 12. 4 times 3, 2 times 2. Take the 2's out, and it has a plus sign. Step 1, simplify radicals. Step 2, identify your like terms. I got a root 2 here. I got a root 2 here. I got a root 3 here and a root 3 here. Like terms. 11 root 2 minus 1 root 3. There you go. Told you. Long problem, but there's nothing here that you have not done before. You've simplified radicals. We spent 3 days last week doing that, and we've already done it a couple of times this week. This is not new. Combining like terms is not new. This is not new. It's just taking some ideas we've been doing for a while and putting them into one problem. Number 2, 25 5 times 5. So I got a negative 4 outside, that stays there. I got a pair of 5s on the inside, they're getting out. Multiply the things on the outside, so that is negative 20. Next, I know you didn't put a radical on there. I know you didn't do that, right? Because all the numbers inside the radical came out. There's nothing left, so I don't put a radical if there's nothing left in the radical. Okay, we're not going to build jail to house nothing. Don't do that. Next, 2 times 4. So I have 3 2's inside the radical. Pair of 2's getting out. Minus 6 root 2. Next. 18 is 2 times 9. 9 is 3 times 3. I'm going a little quick because we've seen a lot of these numbers before. So hopefully some of them start to kind of stick in your mind a little bit. If not, you should be grabbing calculators and double checking this. Don't have to go as fast as I do. So this is a minus 7 out front, a 2, a 3, and a 3 on the inside. 3's come out. Minus 21 root 2. Last one, 16 is 4 times 4, 2, 2, 2, 2. Four 2's inside that radical. 1 set of 2's out, 2 set of 2's out. So I've got 2 times 2 times 5, that is 20. So now, identify your like terms. Now when I look at like terms here, I know these are like terms. They both have square root of 2, and if they don't have a radical, they're just plain whole numbers, those are like terms also. So from here, I've got a negative 20 and a positive 20. What is that? Big fat goose egg, that's what that is, nothing. Negative 6, negative 2. Again, adding and subtracting negatives is tough. Grab a calculator. Negative 6 minus 2, negative 8 root 2. Whoa, 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 sorry, typo, my bad. That's not a 2 there. Mr. Stevens, what are you thinking? That's a 21. Make sure your handwriting's good so you can read your own handwriting. I almost goofed myself up here. Negative 6 minus 21 is negative 27 root 2. Take your time. Don't be in a hurry. Don't be in a rush. Don't be scared of a big problem. It's all skills you have. Good luck. Ask questions.